We are arriving at Colors by Battistella here. So this is the building, and there's a place to park your vehicle on the side of 13 Southwest, right in front of the Starbucks. There's an unloading area that you can use here, and so we're gonna be parking here. It says 20-minute, but this is gonna take this is gonna be quicker than 20-minute actually. So make sure you are tight against the sidewalk. It's a very busy street here, and the main entrance is right there. So we're gonna go see how that intercom is working. That's the intercom. So you're gonna be dialing your number. That's the first number you dial. There'll be a voice asking you to dial your personal code, so you dial your personal code. The voice is not very loud on the intercom, but you're gonna hear "come on in." So that means that your code has worked and you can come in the lobby, and make sure you go straight to the elevator because that intercom access code also unlocks the elevator to your apartment. Right. So you're gonna make your way to your suite, and the key fobs, the two key fobs for your stay, will be in your suite. So this is the apartment. The smart lock is there. Tap the yellow button right there. The smart lock will light up. Personal code, check mark, and your key fobs are right here. Do you want to grab the big key fob, this one with the button? These are only for the door. This is for the garage. We're gonna go back to the unloading area and move our vehicle into our parking stall.